Here we're going to simplify rational expressions. To simplify rational expressions, we use the same basic principles as we do with fractions in dividing, multiplying, and simplifying them. And a rational expression in its simplest form has no common factors in its numerator or denominator, so that's our goal. This one here is a binomial over a monomial, but you'll see that it doesn't really matter what they are, the process is the same. First, we always remove common factors. So if I have a look at the numerator here, I'm going to take 5 out as a common factor, as well as the variable x. So if I remove 5x to the front, 5x times what gives me 15x squared, or 15x squared divided by 5x, is 3x. Then 5x into negative 10x is minus 2. So I've factored out the numerator. Now, since the denominator is a monomial, there's no real factoring out, but what you can see, or hopefully what you can see, is that the 5x here and the 25x squared have a factor in common. So I'm going to rewrite this 25x squared in my denominator with a 5x removed from it. So if I divide it by 5x, I'm left with another 5x, because 5x times 5x is 25x squared. Now we can see that they both have 5x in common, which means they can be cancelled out the same as you do with a fraction. So now what you are left with is 3x minus 2 in the numerator and 5x in the denominator, and you can see that we no longer have any common factors, so this is your simplified rational expression from your original. Now there's something else we have to take into consideration when providing our answer. This denominator here contains a variable. So you need to consider what values for that variable will make this rational expression not exist or invalid. Now we all know that we can't divide by 0. So what value of x would make the entire denominator 0, and that is 0. So this simplified expression would work only when x is not equal to 0. So this very important piece of information is also required.